Very good afternoon to all and welcome to this session. This is the tele session. We will continue with the previous session. Yesterday we understand how can we enter the basic transactions in case of purchase, in case of sale, in case of purchase return and in case of sales return. Is it clear? Okay, any doubt regarding the previous sessions? Any doubt? If any doubt, then you can raise the query. I am moving ahead. Okay. Okay. So today we are going to learn about the P2P process. Now, what is P2P process? Is this procure to pay process in accounting system? Basically, we are learning the tele software, which is an accounting system. And in case of accounting system, there is a one term that known as a P2P or procure to pay. Is it clear? P2P or procure to pay. Now, procure to pay is what? Like yesterday, we have completed a one system. Procure to pay means purchase. In case of purchase, it is procure to pay. And in case of sales, it is procure to cash, P2 cash, P2C. Now, we purchased yesterday from party, and then in case of return, we made a debit note, and then at the end, we made a payment. Okay. So in the procure to pay system, there are three. In the types are three types are there. The one is two-way checking, and then there is a three-way, and then third one is a four-way. Whatever we completed till date yesterday, that is the two-way. Two-way means we purchased. In case of return, we return, and then we made a payment. Okay, that is known as a two-way. But what is a three-way? It depends upon the company policy. It varies according to the company policy. It depends. You have to read carefully the company policy. What is the company policy? Basically, in the company policy that is written in 3 steps, one step will be add-on, that is the orders. The first we have to pass the order, and second, then we have to purchase against that order, and then we have to make the payment. That is the 3 step. And then the 4th step is, after completing passing the order, purchase order, receipt note is there. That is known as a GRN, goods received note. And after goods received note, we have to pass the bill, and then we have to make the payment. Okay. So first try to understand this PPT. Introduction to procure to pay is an end-to-end process from procure of goods services to payment. Okay. End-to-end process from procurement of goods services to payment. मतलब जब आप लेते हैं, goods लेते हैं या services खरीदते हैं, तो payment तक जो step होती है, that is known as procure to pay. Then enhances the operational efficiency, cost control and compliances. इससे क्या होता है कि जो आप जब चेकिंग करते हैं, तो इट विल गिव्स यू द हेल्प. आप ये प्रोसेस समझ लेते हैं, तो ये इट मेक्स यू अंडरस्टैंड कि जब आप सर्विसेज खरीदते हैं या गुड्स खरीदते हैं, तो पेमेंट तक की जो प्रोसेस होती है वो कैसे होती है और उसको किस तरह से हम कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं, है ना. एंड देन रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस, हाउ वी कैन अप्लाई इन दैट केस रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस. इन अ प्रोक्योर टू पे सिस्टम cycle, the steps are 7. The first is a requisition. पहले तो आप क्या करते हो, जो भी आपकी रिक्वायरमेंट है उसको आप बनाते हो. Afterward, you have to select the vendor, then purchase order creation, then goods received note, then invoice बनाते हो. फिर क्या करते हैं, आप invoice रिसीव करते हैं. जो आप बिल बनाते हो वो सामने वाले के लिए invoice होता है, क्योंकि जो आपकी परचेज है वो सामने वाले के लिए सेल्स है. तो वो इनवॉइस बनाएगा, आपको इनवॉइस रिसिप्ट होगा, एंड देन यू हैव टू मेक द पेमेंट, और उसके बाद आप उसकी अकाउंटिंग करते हो, रिकंसिलेशन करते हो. दिस इज P2P overview of the P2P cycle. The first is a purchase requisition raised by the department. Which department? who have the authority to purchase the services or the goods. Okay, it should be, because compliances should be there, कुछ rules regulation होने चाहिए and you should follow that compliances. So raised by the department वो जिसके पास परचेज के राइट्स है वो रेस करेगा, इंक्लूडिंग द स्पेसिफिकेशन, क्वांटिटी एंड बजट अप्रूवल, जो भी आपकी क्वांटिटी है, कितना आपकी क्वांटिटी रिक्वायर्ड है और कितना आपका बजट है. उसके बाद जो सेकेंड वन इज वेंडर सिलेक्शन एंड परचेज ऑर्डर. इवेल्युएट द वेंडर्स, वेंडर आप सिलेक्ट करते हैं अकॉर्डिंग टू द प्राइस एंड द क्वालिटी एंड द डिलीवरी, कितने दिन में डिलीवरी करेगा, उसकी प्राइस क्या है, उसकी क्वालिटी क्या है, इट डिपेंड्स. एंड देन यू हैव टू सिलेक्ट द वेंडर. इशू द परचेज ऑर्डर, उसके बाद आप परचेज ऑर्डर इशू करते हैं सिलेक्टेड वेंडर को. देन GRN बनाते हैं. GRN, वॉट एवर द GRN इज फॉर यू एंड दैट इज द डिलीवरी फॉर द वेंडर. डिलीवरी करता है वो आपको, तो आप क्या कराते हैं, गुड्स रिसीव करते हैं. इन दैट केस यू हैव टू क्रिएट द GRN. इंस्पेक्ट एंड वेरीफाई द डिलीवरी गुड्स अगेंस्ट द PO. जो भी आपके पास डिलीवर होके आया है उसको इंस्पेक्ट करते हैं और वेरीफाई करते हैं. एंड रिकॉर्ड द क्वांटिटी एंड द क्वालिटी इन द inventory system. Invoice receipt and verification. When the vendor sends you the invoice, you should match with the PO and the goods received. This is known as three-way, as I already told you. Then flag discrepancies. कोई अगर आपकी उसमें कुछ भी आपकी एरर है तो उसको आप फ्लैग करते हैं, नोट लगाते हैं. Then the payment processing. पेमेंट अप्रूवल बेस्ड ऑन द मैच्ड इनवॉइसेस. अगर आपकी इनवॉइस मैच हो जाती है तो उसी बेस पे आप क्या करते हो, पेमेंट बनाते हो. ठीक है. एंड देन अकाउंटिंग एंट्रीज, रिकॉर्ड द लायबिलिटीज. अकाउंट पेबल आपका जो है इंक्रीज होगा, पेमेंट रिड्यूसेस कैश एंड सेटल्स लायबिलिटी. ऑब्वियसली बात है, आप पेमेंट करोगे तो कैश रिड्यूस होगा और आपकी लायबिलिटी सेटल होगी. एंड देन कंप्लायंसेस, ऑडिट टूल के लिए आप फॉर द कंप्लायंसेस मतलब क्या है, रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस, कि किसको कौन से राइट्स दिए गए. इट डिपेंड्स अपॉन द एक्सेस सिक्योरिटी एंड कंट्रोल्स होने चाहिए. की बेनिफिट्स ऑफ P2P इंटीग्रेशन, इंप्रूव द कैश फ्लो विजिबिलिटी, फ्यूअर एरर्स एंड डिलेज, स्ट्रेंथन वेंडर रिलेशनशिप, बेटर इंटरनल कंट्रोल्स एंड ऑडिट. रिस्क एंड कंट्रोल, फ्रॉड जो है आप इसमें जो रिस्क रहती है वो फ्रॉड होने के चांसेस ज्यादा रहते हैं, इसलिए यू शुड फॉलो द प्रॉपर प्रोक्योर टू पे सिस्टम. डुप्लीकेट पेमेंट्स ना बने उसको भी आप चेक करें. देन कंट्रोल्स, यू शुड हैव द कंट्रोल सेग्रीगेशन ऑफ ड्यूटीज, लाइक उसके लिए यूजर एक्सेस एंड कंट्रोल बनाइए. एंड देन ऑटोमेशन एंड अप्रूवल वर्कफ्लो. दिस इज द समरी. ओके, सो वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट द वर्किंग ऑन द Tally practical. Anybody have some doubt in a P2P system, procure to pay system? तेजा जी, अभी तेजा गणेश, अभी तक कोई ऐसा कोई असाइनमेंट नहीं है, बट जब आपका थोड़ा सा और हो जाएगा कंप्लीट, देन आई विल गिव यू द असाइनमेंट्स. एंड एज आई ऑलरेडी सेंट यू द वन असाइनमेंट यस्टरडे, कल एक भेजा था और उसके बाद मैंने यहीं पे इसी प्लेटफॉर्म पे भेजा था. एंड देन टुडे अगेन आई एम गोइंग टू सेंड यू द वन असाइनमेंट. सो लेट मी सेंड यू द असाइनमेंट. First of all, I need to check it out, then I'll send you the assignment, okay? This is the I'll share you. In the yesterday assignment, I'm going to make some changes. Transactions, okay? This is the assignment I already sent you. In this assignment, I am going to modify something. No, this is not. Okay, so this was the example. जो हमने yesterday कल किया था ये एग्जाम्पल है. So open this same company. Everybody knows now how can we open the company which we created yesterday. So just open the tally. Today we will learn the procure to pay system. Okay, P2P. Just open the Namru Enterprises which we created yesterday. कल हमने ये complete करी थी Namru Enterprises, and we learned the some system, and then we already learned the two-way. टू-वे का मतलब क्या होता है? परचेज के बाद हमने पेमेंट सीखा था कि कैसे परचेज के अगेंस्ट में पेमेंट करते हैं. आई टोल्ड यू अबाउट द एडवांस, अगेंस्ट एंड न्यू रेफरेंस. ओके, दिस इज नोन एज अ टू-वे. टू-वे का मतलब क्या होता है कि आपने परचेज किया, परचेज के अगेंस्ट में क्या करते हो आप? पेमेंट करते हो. दिस इज नोन एज अ टू-वे. एंड इट डिपेंड्स अपॉन P2P जो सिस्टम होता है ना, प्रोक्योर टू पे जो सिस्टम होता है, डिपेंड्स अपॉन द कंपनी पॉलिसी. Maybe company follow the two-way, maybe company follow the three-way, maybe company follow the four-way. So two-way is completed. Now we are going to learn the three-way. Is it? Everybody open the company. सबने open कर ली? Company open कर ली? Company open हो गई? हो गया? कंपनी ओपन हो गया? ओके, आज हम नया कंपनी बना लेते हैं. सो प्लीज create a new company. So I'm going to create a new company. First you should shut this company. Company shut कर लीजिए, and then create a new company. Okay, create a new company. Two-way example. One. Three-way example. Okay, this is the three-way example. Three-way example. Enter, enter, enter. Then Madhya Pradesh. Enter. Is it? बना रहे? I created a one company named two-way example. Three-way example. Sorry. Okay. Okay, Kamalika. No issue. No issue. Okay. No issue. Okay. So I created a one new company, that is the three-way example one. And then pin code, if you wish to leave it, then you can leave it blank. Then I'm not going to change my financial year. Financial year is my 25-26 because in this financial I'm going to start my company. In books already also I want to start from the 1st April. Now press Ctrl A. The moment you press the Ctrl A, it is giving you the screen of the company feature, but make sure you disable the GST because see, GST we are not learning today because to understand the taxation feature, first we should understand all the advanced options of the tally, and then we will learn the taxation feature. Tax and compliances we will learn. So press Ctrl A. When you press Ctrl A, the company is blank right now. By default, it have the company have the in a company. By default, 28 groups are there and the 2 ledgers are there. 2 ledgers include the first is the profit and loss account and second one is a cash. But we want to create the ledgers, then we have to create the ledger. So For that, I am going to write here the some entry. So on 1st April 25, place purchase order or generate. Okay. Generate the purchase order to computer gallery. Okay. And then 4 CPUs at the rate 12,000. And then 4 monitor at the rate 6,500. Okay. And then order number, you have to assign one order number, that is PO-01. Okay, this is the order number. Then again on 2nd April 2025, purchased from computer gallery against PO-01. Okay, that's mean what? Like whatever the order placed in PO1, they purchased against PO1 on 2nd April, but they modified it 3 CPU and 4 monitors. 4 monitors. Is it clear? Is it clear? Just take the screenshot. Take the screenshot, please. Then you have to, the first one, you have to create the 2 ledgers. One is a purchase, material purchase, and second one is a computer gallery. So create ledgers, computers, gallery. And for that, there is an option. Today I'm going to give you the more understanding on group also. You can create the groups also. For example, sundry creditor is a group, one group. But under that group, you can create a one group, that is Indore creditor and then Bhopal creditor. So group Indore creditor. Okay, this is the one group. It should be under sundry creditor. It should be under sundry creditor. Or you can, if you wish, Indore creditor and Bhopal creditor should be segregated. It should be in the balance sheet appearance should be like that, Indore creditors and then Bhopal creditors. So you should create under current liability. But I don't want, so I'm going to create it in the current liability. Sundry creditor. Is it? Then Bhopal creditors. Then controlling. Right. Now I am having 2 creditors. 2 creditors. One is computer gallery, that is from Indore. That is from Indore. Okay. And then I will type here the another entry also. First you should make this entry. Then ledger. Ledger is computer gallery account. Okay, enter, and it is Indore creditor. See? Okay, one mistake is there, so I should alter it. Alter group Indore. Because I created under sundry creditor, it should be under current liability. Because already group is created, na sundry creditor. Okay, then controlling. Then Bhopal creditor. Then current liability. Controlling. Now you can make the ledgers. create ledger computer gallery account. It should be under Indore creditor. See, now you have the Indore creditor. Maintain balance bill by bill, yes, and set it 15 days. Is it clear? Is it clear? Then press Ctrl A. Now you have system matrix, computers, account. It should be under Bhopal creditor. Then 15 days credit. So two creditors are there. One is Indore creditor and second one is Bhopal creditors. Okay. Press Ctrl A. You have to create the material purchase account under purchases. Enter. Then Ctrl A. Should I move ahead? I created 3 ledgers. Okay. Should I move ahead? Forget about the assignments. Do the simultaneously whatever I am doing here. Okay. For assignment, we will talk about later. Later we will talk about. Presently, no assignment is there. Please listen carefully. No assignment is there. Only assignment I sent you via chat over here. Then we are going to work on this on the session. During the session, we will work on that. So I already sent you the assignment. And if you, then again, I am going to send you. I'm going to send you again. Okay, just find here the file. Find here the file, Tally example. Now, please don't ask again and again, right? You have to work whatever the work is going on. Don't talk about any kind of assignment. I sent you the example over here through the chat. Just open it and then just do the work, whatever the going on, or just check. Okay. Okay. So I created here the 3 ledgers. One is material purchase. Second one is Indore creditor, that is computer gallery, and third one is systematic computer, that is under Bhopal creditor. Now we have to create the items. In items, create item. But before creating the item, you should create the units. Numbers. Number is a formal name. No decimal place is there. So you should create 1 unit. After unit, you should create the items from here. Stock items. Then monitors. And then don't forget to select the number here. Because units, if you are not selecting the unit, then you cannot enter the rate and quantity. Okay. So make sure you select the units. enter. Then from here, yesterday I told you about the costing method. You can select the costing method from here. But the default cost method is average cost. That is weighted average method. Yesterday I told you and I already show you all the cost. Okay. Then Control A. Then CPU. CPU. Again enter number. If you have group, then under, because presently it is going on the under primary because we don't have the group. Then I'm not changing the cost. Then Control A. Okay, so 2 items I created. Now in the today's session, the basic learning of this from this session is, first, in the first half, we will learn the 3-way checking, that is the orders, then purchase, then payment. Okay. So first of all, you have to pass the purchase order voucher. In this question, generate the purchase order to the computer gallery. Order number PO1. Order number is PO1. So first of all, I am taking some cash through the capital. So I should create a one capital ledger with the help of Alt+C. It should be under capital. No need to create the cash account because cash is already created. Cash. Okay, so business started with cash. This is my first entry. Okay, now the second entry, I should pass the purchase order. So press F10. F10 is used for the other vouchers. Then here you cannot check the purchase order. So here is the option show inactive, because by default Tally deactivate all these kind of vouchers. So now you want to activate, then just click on the purchase order, enter. Then it will ask you need to activate the purchase order, set it yes. Now purchase order is there. Is it clear how I select the purchase order? Is it clear? One more time I am going to show you. Press F10. There is an option of show inactive. Just click over here. Then you can check the purchase order and then activate it. Enter. Twice time enter. Just press twice time enter. Then only the purchase order voucher will be activated. But twice time enter on purchase order. Okay. Is it? There is a one option, that is a chat option. In the chat option, you can find the. Okay, if you are not finding the question, then no issue. Please don't waste the time. Just take the screenshot of this. Just take the screenshot of this. Please don't waste the time. Don't waste the time. Okay, take the screenshot. Everybody have taken the screenshot? Say yes or no. Everybody have taken the screenshot? Okay, so please show again. Okay, Nitesh, just take the screenshot, please, fast. Okay, fine. So after like pressing the F10 key, there is an option of purchase order. So just activate it. Type here the name, that is party name. Give example I created now. Okay, I should check again. Walter Ledger. It should be under sundry creditor, so that's why it is not showing me. Sundry creditor. I'll give you the understanding on. Okay. Now purchase order. Just select from your computer gallery. Enter. Then Control A. Control A. Now just assign here the PO-01. Purchase order -01. Material purchase. What you purchase? CPU 4. It will due on 15 days. Then CPU 4 at the rate of 12,000 rupees. Then monitor 15 days. Then 4 at the rate of 6,500. Is it clear? So after passing the purchase order, your entry will not take reflect, your inventory will not take reflect, neither your inventory will be affected or nor your P&L will be affected, because this is just an order, not your creditor will take reflect. Okay, because creditor ka bhi balance still you can check, creditor no balance is there, no inventory is there, no purchases is there. Is it clear? Pass this entry fast. Pass this entry fast. Okay. This is the 7 steps. P2P. Requisition, vendor selection, purchase order creation. So we created the purchase order. Okay. But in our company, there is no system of the goods received. Directly we will receive the invoice. Okay. Because it depends upon the company. It varies according to the company to company. But basically in the P2P, 7 steps are there. First, you have to pass the requisition, and in our company, in Delhi, requisition is not possible, so we are not passing the requisition. Vendor selection, we already created the vendor. Then we created the purchase order. Now, goods received. 4 and 5th is an integrated system in our company. Directly, we will get the invoices from the vendor, because in our company, in the first example, in the 3-way example, I'll not give you the understanding of goods received. In the 4-way example, I will give you the understanding of goods received. Okay. So now I passed the entry of the purchase order and then enter, enter, enter. No new reference is there, because as you already seen, when you purchase from somebody, some vendor, then it will provide you the screen that should be the new reference against reference. But presently no screen is there because we are passing the purchase order. Now press escape. You can check here the stock summary. No stock is there. CPU bhi kuch nahi hai, neither CPU nor monitors. In a P&L, no purchases is there. In a balance sheet, nothing is there. You can check the balance of the creditors. No creditor balance is there. And then if you wish to check the orders, purchase order, then display more reports, then a statement of inventory. Then there is an option of purchase order outstanding. Stock items, CPU. See, from where I checked once again, please note the steps. Display more reports, statement of inventory, then there is an option of purchase order outstanding. Stock items, CP. Is it? And if you want purchase order outstanding, then if you want only the due order, it should be there. then it will not show because presently the order is not due. Your order is not pending. But if you want me it show all the orders, then set it yes. See. But presently it is not due because we mention here that it will due after 15 days. Is it? So I'm sure everybody created the orders. Now the second step is purchased from computer gallery against the PO-01. But only they purchased 3 CPU and this is on 1st May. Okay, purchased from computer gallery. So for that you have to pass the purchase voucher F9. Supplier invoice number we already discussed about it. Bill number 01. Then it is 1st May. 1st May. Party name is come. The moment you select the party name, it is showing you the order number. See, this is completely compulsory thing. Because we want to, otherwise, what happened? Suppose we are not selecting here the order. Then what happened? Order will be shown as a pending order. Suppose I forget to select from here. Okay. Suppose I forget to select from here and I purchased the fresh item. Okay. The quantity 12,000. Monitor and 4 quantity 6,500 on 1st May. Okay. And then new reference bill number 1. Now the thing is we forget to select the order number. So if you check again the reports under the statement of inventory, purchase order outstanding, stock item. See, still it is pending. Still it is pending. Why it is pending? Because we forget to select the reference. Is it clear? We forget to select the reference. Is it clear? And this is the pending order list. Is it clear? Stock item creation. How to create the? Okay, one by one. I am taking the question. Can you show the first slide? Okay, it is completely. Suraj, ma'am, purchase order didn't understand. See, P2P, I taught you about the process that is P2P, procure to pay. In the procure to pay, it varies according to the company but procure to pay 7 steps are there. The first step is requisition. The second step is generate the purchase order according to the requisition. Then the third step is vendor selection. The fourth step is see, here is a, so just check. Requisition, vendor selection. The third step is purchase order creation. The fourth step is goods receipt. But in my company presently, only 3 steps are there. Orders, then purchase, then order is what? When you pass the purchase order, then your inventory will not take reflect, nor your purchase will be increased, nor your creditors balance will be increased. So we created the purchase order. How we created the purchase order? See, in the entry written here, generate the purchase order to computer gallery. That's mean computer gallery is our sundry creditor. And these are our items. So how I create the computer gallery ledger? The first one is you have to move to the tally. Then gateway of tally, you have to create the ledgers from here. I'm going to alter the ledger because I already created. You have to create this ledger, that is a computer gallery and under sundry creditor. Then you have to create the material purchase ledger because both the accounts will take reflect material purchase in computer gallery. Then you have to create the unit of measurement. But before understanding the unit of measurement, what is it? Unit of measurement मतलब आप measure किस में करते हैं अपनी stock. For example, in pieces, in tons, in kilograms, in grams. This is so I created the unit of measurement, that is numbers. Is it? So after that, I created the stock item, CPU and monitor. And please don't forget to select the units of measurement under unit of measurement number. Is it clear? This is the small, again मैंने पूरा बता दिया. Then I passed this entry and I passed, before that I passed the purchase order. How I passed the purchase order? Alt F2. I passed the purchase order on 1st April. This is my order. And order number is PO-01. Is it clear? थोड़ा fast करो, please do fast. After that, you make purchase, but unfortunately, you forget to select the order number. Okay, you forget to select the order number, but you pass the complete entry. So, if you forget to pass the order number, select the order number, then instead order is pending, it is showing me display more reports, statement of inventory, then purchase order outstanding. See, it is showing me the 4 number of CPU is still pending. And as per the question, it should be 1. Pending should be 1, but I forget to select the order number. So now I am modifying that entry. Daybook. And under purchase, I should select the order number. See, here the order number. Now the thing is, I'm pressing here the Alt D to delete the entry. I'm again passing the purchase entry. Bill number 01. The moment you select the computer gallery and you select the order number, then automatically entry is there. Entry is fetching by from the database. See, by default entry is fetched by the system itself because you selected the order number properly. But now you can edit the CPU quantity because CPU quantity is 3. So just edit it. Now order will be pending only for the one CPU. And new reference is there. So make sure you completed this entry. इस entry को करिए please fast. Completed. Now save it. Now you can check the order pending list, display more reports, statement of inventory, then purchase order outstanding. Now you can check only one CPU order is remaining. Is it clear? Is it clear? Yes, Samik, I will. P2P notes, na, I will. I'll share. Okay. So I'm sure like 3 steps. The first is a order, then second is a purchase. So at the time of order creation, we generate a one reference that is PO1. Then at the time of purchase, we generate a one bill number 1. Now at the payment, while making the payment, you have to select against the reference. Okay, so just make the payment F5, computer gallery, against bill number. Enter. This is the proper system. If you are paying only 40,000 rupees, then just make the 40,000 payment. No, there is no need to pay the complete. It depends on you how much payment you want. Then cash. Enter, 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 enter. Now you can check here. Display more reports. Statement of accounts, accounts payable. Okay, accounts payable. Now you can check how much amount is remaining. 40,000 you already made the payment. And it will due on 16th May. So it is not overdue by day. Because current date is a 1st May, so it is not overdue. But the moment you passed one entry, for example, suppose you passed one more entry, F2 on 1st June. You passed one entry, you made a payment for wages. Wages account, direct expenses, and you made 10,000 for wages. Cash. Now, 1st June is there. So your amount is due right now. So you can check here the overdue amounts. Display more reports, statement of accounts, outstanding, then payable. See, 16 days are overdue. It is overdue by 16 days. Is it clear how it calculated the days? Is it clear? I'm waiting. Please pass the entries. Thank you, Rachita. Thank you. Just pass the entry, please. Make the payment of 40,000 rupees on 1st May, and then on 1st June made a payment of 10,000 rupees to the wages. Completed. So 3-way is completed now. Okay. Now 4-way. Now 4-way. So the 4-way is what? 4-way is what? Suppose on 2nd June. Okay. Again, we generate an order, but this time the order is from Systematics Computers. Okay. To make the differentiate, I'm taking the different number. That is PO2. And this time, 10 computers and 12 monitors. Okay. Then, after like generating the order, on 1st July, generate the receipt note, or you can say inventories delivered by the Systematics computer as per the order number PO-02. Is it? Is it? Inventories delivered by the Systematic computers as per the order number PO2. And in this case, you have to generate GRN-001. This is the reference number. This reference number should be generated against the PO02. Okay. Then on 2nd July, against generate the bill against GRN-001. Then made a payment on 1st August. Make the payment as per the bill number 02. Bill number 0. Is it clear? Again, please take the screenshot. Take the screenshot. Generate the purchase order of Systematic computers order number PO2. Just take the screenshot fast. Take the screenshot fast. Okay, completed. Have you taken the screenshot? Taken the screenshot, Raja, Rachiyeta, Nitesh. Should I move ahead? Okay. Okay, Bebasa, thank you so much. Thank you for the answering. Now, first you have to see here. You can check in your tally. in your PPT. Requisition, vendor selection. So first you have to create the vendors because you selected this vendor, that is Systematic Computer. Then Systematic. If you wish, then you can copy from there also. Copy paste bhi chalta hai wo Excel mein. Sorry, Tally mein. Just take the copy from here and paste here. Account. Enter, enter, enter. This is your sundry date creditor. Enter. Enter 15 days credit period. Control A. Right? Now no need to create another thing because vendor selection is completed. Now, which step I should follow? See, the second step is purchase order creation. So first create the purchase order. Press Control F9 for purchase order. Then press F2 1st July. That is the date change. F2 is for the date change. Then Systematic Computers. Enter. Control A. Control A. PO-02. Enter. Now, with the after completing this order, you can check your inventory will not increase. Your inventory will not increase. Why so? Because purchase order will neither take in your inventory, reflect in your inventory summary, nor it will reflect in your creditors balance, nor it will reflect your P&L. Okay. Enter. CPU 10. It will due on 15 days. 10. Then the rate is 12,000. Then monitors 15 days. 12, 6,500. The total bill is 1,98,000. Enter, 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 enter. Now you can check your profit and loss account. Your purchase is only 36,000. 12 multiplied by 3 because you are having only 3 CPUs. Okay, only you are having presently 3 CPUs because you passed the order. It will not take reflect in your inventory. So, stock summary, only 3 CPUs are there, 4 monitors are there. But you can check display more reports, statement of inventory, purchase order outstanding, then if you wish all orders. So, first of all, first you order the 4 quantity, then balance quantity, order remaining is 1. This is your first order. This is outstanding order. But you want the order which is not outstanding, but you passed. You also want to check that order. So here is the option of all orders. See, CPU 10, 10 is remaining. 12 monitors, 12 is pending. But this is not due on 16th July, 16th July. These are the overdues. Because first CPU we remain, we have taken the order, we have placed the order of 4 CPU and we have taken the order of 3 CPUs. So 1 is remaining and 76 days are over. Is it clear? This report is clear or not? This is a very good report, you know, because in the practical, you need this kind of report. Gautam, is it not possible? Please check voucher kaun sa hai. Press Control F9 for purchase order, Gautam. Press Control F9 for purchase order. Gautam, please check. जब आप order देते हैं, when you place the order, then see here purchase order should be written. But then only you will get the order number. Otherwise, you will not get the order number. Okay. I will share my PPT. Please don't. Okay, just right now I am sharing you. Okay, मैं अभी share कर देती हूँ. I am sharing you my PPT. Okay. Okay, I am going to share it through the chat. Okay, got it my PPT? Who completed the orders? I am sure everybody completed. How to alter the purchase order? Okay. See, if you want to alter the purchase order, go to the day book. Go to the day book. F2, Alt F2, then retain all the entries, then press F4. If you have lots of order, then press F4 and then purchase order. Only purchase order it will show. F4 is a shortcut key to for the filter. Is it? This is the way how you can alter the purchase order. So I'm sure like purchase order is completed. Now in the next step, in the next step, goods received. Okay, goods received. So in the example also here is a written inventory delivered by the systematic computer. That means we receive the inventory and we have to generate the GRN. Okay, we have to generate the GRN. So till date, if you check, then you haven't you only have the CPO3, but the company delivered the goods to you. So you have to generate the, and if you check, still the systematic computers, no, systematic computers don't have the any balance, any credit balance. If you check now, you can check the ledgers from here, display more reports, account books, ledgers and systematic. See, no balance is there. But now you want to generate the GRN. So is the balance will be there? No. Because in the case of GRN, only you will receive the inventory. And how you can pass the GRN? Same F10. Then show inactive. You want to activate the goods received note. There is an option of Alt F9. Receive note. GRN. Now generate here the GRN -001. Enter. Then this is 1st August. Okay. Then the moment you select the systematic, it is showing you the order is pending. So please do not forget to select the create the GRN against this order, because in the previous example I show you, I already show you कि if you are not selecting the proper purchase order, then order will be pending, will be showing as a pending. Though you already purchased, but order will be showing as a pending. So please do not forget to select the order number. This is the main thing. Is it? Do it. I'm giving you the 5 minutes. Do it, do it. Okay. Enter, Control A. The entry automatically extracted by the tally itself. Tally automatically extracted the complete entry. Because on that order, we placed the order for the CPU 10 number of CPUs. But now we only want, only I got the 9. They delivered the 9 CPUs. Enter, 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 enter. Now enter, 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 enter. Now no bill number you are going to see, no bill number is there. In the next step, you have to create the bill. Enter, enter, enter. Now you can check in the tally. After goods received, invoice receipt is there. When you receive the goods, then only it will increase your stock. It will increase in your stock. See, now stock is 3 पहले वाला था, 9 अभी receive है. So number of stock 12 number of stock is there. And then in the account books, you can check the ledger of systematic computer. Still bill is not generated. So that's why credit balance is not there. Because bill is not generated, so that's why credit note is not there. Is it? Anybody have some doubt? Please raise the query. Raise the query. Huh? I am waiting. Because I gave you the understanding of P2P. PPT is there. In the chat box, PPT is there. Okay. Should I move for the next? Okay, I'll send the PPT to the ma'am. So ma'am will send you the PPT. But I'm sure you will have the chat box. Forget about the PPT. Forget about the chat box. Please give me the answer whether you create the GRN or not. Forget about. I'll send the PPT through the through the institute. Institute will send you by default. In your MS Team, chat box is there. Please find. Dhruv, 3-way and 4-way में difference ये है. In a 3-way, first we have to pass the order, then we have to pass the bill, then payment. This is the 3-way. In the 4-way is first we have to pass the order, then GRN, then bill, and then payment. Isn't it? GRN is done. Okay. Now, after the GRN, presently no systematic computers balance is there. Why? Because only we received the inventory. Still we haven't generated the bill. Okay. So first of all, you have to generate the bill F7 or F9 and then bill number 02. Enter. The moment you select here the systematic computers, enter. Then it is showing you the GRN. Control A. Okay, and then order number is it automatically it selected the order because GRN is created against this order. Then Control A, then Control AC. Entry is extracted by default. Entry is extracted. Now you have to generate you have to create one new reference. Here, new reference bill number 2, bill enter. Only you need to concentrate. बहुत ज़्यादा काम नहीं करना पड़ता है. But you should know the process. Is it? Now, after making the bill, now you can check in your balance sheet, the creditor balance is there. Or you can check in the account books. The balance is there. Is it clear? Very important. 2-way, 3-way. Procure to pay process is a very important process. You should understand procure to pay process. Kriti, don't worry. Just concentrate on the class. I will send you all the things through the official mail. Okay, I'll send to the institute and institute will send you. So please don't worry about that. Do the things whatever is going on. Don't worry. Don't worry. Do the things whatever is going on. How many students pass the entries completely, follow the steps? How many students follow the steps completely? Tell me. Completed. Should I move on the next? Okay, Deepankar, do it. I cannot help you na, if you don't have the laptop. Then I cannot help you. Laptop is a compulsory thing nowadays. वापस से बताऊं? Okay, fine. First देखें, the system is, first you have to pass the Alt F2. See, first you have to pass the purchase order. सबसे पहले purchase order बनाइए. And to make the purchase order, press F10 and activate the purchase order. Then press Ctrl F9 is a shortcut key for the purchase order. After creating the purchase order, you have to make the receipt note. This is. And while creating the receipt note, and the moment you enter the party, you have to select the order number. Because against which order number systematic computers delivered the goods. You have to select the order number. Otherwise, it will show in the pending list. Okay. This is procure to pay system. Is it clear? And then the next step is you have to generate a one bill. This is the third step. And the moment you select the systematic computer, in that case, because you are generating a bill against this GRN, that is goods received note. Okay, and then entry it automatically extracted. 9 CPUs. Then you have to generate a one bill. Is it clear now? Now you have to make the payment. Vouchers F5. The moment you select the systematic computers, it is giving you the reference. Bill number 2. And you made the half payment, 1 lakh rupees. And on which day you make the payment? F2, first 9 September. Cash. So this is the 4 step. I'm sure Dhruv, you are, or you also, now you are not confused regarding the 4 step, 3 step and second step. And every student, please, each and every student, please make sure. Payable, see. Now with days, it is giving you the things. कितना आपने खरीदा था, कितना payment कर दिया, then it is showing you all the things. All the things. Okay. Completed. Should I move for the next? Anybody have some doubt? Should I move on the next? While creating the bank account in place of bank name, it is not showing not applicable. It is not possible. See, in a software, there is no mean what name you are assigning. Okay, only selecting the group is a very important. No mean whatever the name is there. आप मेरी बैंक नाम दे दो. Okay, like आप गुप्ता बैंक नाम दे दो, कुछ भी नाम दे दो. But if you are selecting under the bank account, then it will be treated as a bank. ऑफिशियल बैंक अकाउंट वहां दिए हुए हैं, कौन से नाम है उनको आप लिंक कर सकते हो. लाइक सपोज आई एम हैविंग द बैंक ऑफ बड़ौदा अकाउंट और मैंने एक अकाउंट बना लिया मेरी बैंक अकाउंट. So I should link it with Bank of Baroda. That the official bank is Bank of Baroda. That's it. Okay. Should I move for the next? Completed? Now, I'm going to give you the, see. Here is a one practical example. Okay, I'm adding here also. इसी में ही ऐड कर देते हैं. Same thing. On 1st October, sales order received from Choice Gallery. Okay, and then 5 CPUs at the rate of 16,500. 5 monitors at the rate of 7650. Now this is order. This is what order. Right? Now, on 2nd, deliver the goods as per the order number. Here is order number is SO-01, sales order 1. Order number SO-01. Okay, so generate the delivery note. DN-001. This is your delivery note. Okay. Now, on 1st December, returns from Choice Gallery, 1 CPU. Okay. Then, because we delivered the 5 CPU and 5 monitor and they returned 1 CPU. Then we have to generate the invoice of, generate the invoice as per DN-001. And then invoice number 01. Again, after generating the invoice, they returned me the item on 1st January. Returns the, please make sure you are getting properly, because this is very important, you know. Returns from choice gallery as per against invoice number -01. Okay, then make a bill. Generate receive the payment. Received the payment from choice gallery. Okay, take the screenshot fast. Take the screenshot fast. So this is through this example, I'll give you the clarification. P2 cash, procure to cash. है ना, वो था procure to pay. Now this is procure to cash, P2C. Is it? Everybody have taken the screenshot? Okay. Now, first of all, you have to select a, you have to generate a, you have to create a data. Choice gallery, this is your data. So just create the data. Create ledger choice gallery account under sundry data. 15 days credit. Is it? Create a data choice gallery under sundry data. Okay, now press Ctrl A. Then create a one account, that is material sales account under sales. Ctrl A. Now start invoicing. Just start the entering. First you have to generate a sales order. So press F10. There is an option of show inactive. People who missed the purchase or procure to pay. People who missed the sequence of procure to pay, just pay attention in a procure to cash, because this is just opposite of procure to pay. People who missed the sequence of procure to pay, so please concentrate on now, because this is procure to pay. This is just opposite of procure to pay. Okay. Now we are in activating the sales order. We are activating the sales order. So to activate the sales order, press enter. You need to activate the sales order right now. Yes. Then party name is choice gallery. Control A. Control A. Okay, Gautam, you told me that ma'am order number is not there, but in every order, whether it is sales order or purchase order number should be there. SO-01. Enter. Material sales account. We sold out the CPUs. It will due on 15 days. 5@16,500. We sold out the monitor 5@7650. Is it? Fatafat order, just finish out the orders. Come on fast. Is it? Now sales order is completed. Now you can check, still you have the complete inventory. Still you have the complete inventory because no sales is there. Only order is placed. Now you deliver the goods. So in the voucher F10, you have to activate the good delivery note. Here is a delivery note. All tap it. Enter. Now just make a reference DN-001. Then party name is Choice Gallery. The moment you select the Choice Gallery, it is showing you the order number is there. Enter. Control A, Control A, then enter. See, all the complete entry is extracted by the tally itself. पूरी entry अपने आप आ जाएगी. Is it? But you can edit it. If you don't want all the item, you can edit it. For example, here, in this example, they deliver us the complete order. So I don't want to edit. Otherwise, if they delivered only 4, then you can edit it. Is it clear? Because see, okay, Soumik, thank you so much. Is the order is placed or not? Order बना लिया कि नहीं? Now, after completing the order, you should make the delivery note. You should make the delivery note. Is it? Okay. Now press Control A. Now the moment still you only delivered the goods, you haven't created the invoice. But the thing is, they return the item. They return the item, returns from Choice Gallery 1 CPU. We cannot create the credit note because still we haven't created the invoice. Still we haven't created the, and Tally will not permitted us to make the credit note because there is bill ही नहीं है तो invoice कैसे बनेगा? So for that you have to generate the rejection in F10. Then there is an option of rejection in show inactive. Then again there is an option of rejection in माल वापस आ गया. Okay, see, previously you have the stock. How much stock you have? See, F12, show goods inwards and outwards. I'm saying. See, previously you will have 12 CPUs and outward is 5. Now 7 is remaining. But you received the one again. You have to make the rejection in from which you are receiving Choice Gallery. Enter the name of item. The moment you select the name of item, it is telling you the tracking number. Tracking number. First one tracking number, 5 is already delivered. Okay, 5 is already delivered. Enter. So we received 1. Enter. Now you can check your stock summary. You will have F12. See, now you are having, first you are having 12 CPUs. Outwards only 4 because one is rejected by the party. And now you are having 8. Is it clear? Is it clear? Rejection in. Then you can create the bill. Ab bill kitne ka banega? Definitely only for the 4 CPUs and 5 monitors. The moment you are entering the sales invoice number 001, then the moment you selected the choice gallery against one delivery number, because see, when we pass the delivery note now, then the number was 1. See, presently here is a number 1, but suppose I selected here. See, here is a number 1. I selected here the DN001. Then they will show you the DN00. Now in the rejection in also you should correct DN001. N1 is returned. Okay. Now the moment you are trying to make the bill invoice number 02. The moment you select choice gallery, it is giving you the DN001. This is the important of referencing. Okay, so 4-way. Today we completed the procure to pay and procure to cash also. Now it is taking 4 CPUs because obviously baat hai 4 CPU ka hi bill banega. Because they return us the one quantity of CPU. Is it clear? Now invoice number 02. This is for reference for receiving the payment. Now please tell me, any confusion? Any confusion? Please write. Any confusion? Come on fast. Answer me. No confusion. Thank you, Nan. Thank you. Any confusion? Crystal clear. No, ma'am, cleared. Very good. Can you explain returns from choice against invoice on 1st Jan? Oh, very good. Good question, Mani. हाँ, ठीक है. Okay. See, the process I followed. The first I generated the sales order. Okay. Then I generated the delivery note, then rejection in. Okay. Then sales. And now again they return, then credit note. We cannot now create the rejection in because the invoice is generated. After generating the invoice, you cannot generate the rejection in, because rejection in का पैसा deduct वहां से कैसे होगा? Rejection in only for the inventory return, because still you didn't generate the invoice, so you cannot generate the credit note. But now you can generate the credit note after generating the invoice. Is it clear? Okay, one person wants to show see the rejection in. Here, यहाँ पे ध्यान देना है, when you select here, then it should be the DN001, because at the time of delivery note, I generated the reference DN001. People are doing mistake here. They generated the reference difference, but they are taking one. So this will create the confusion. इससे confusion हो जाएगा, पूरा आपका mismatch हो जाएगा. So please make sure the reference is correct. That's why I show you 1 and DN0. Okay. Now the last step. Okay, sales generate हो गई. Now on 1st Jan, they returned me returns from choice gallery against the invoice number 01. Actually invoice number 02 है. Okay, मैंने 02 दिया है. Now they return me. तो रिटर्न करने के लिए आप क्या जनरेट होगा? क्रेडिट नोट. प्रेस कंट्रोल Alt F6 for credit note. The moment you select the choice gallery, it is showing you the tracking number. तो कुछ है ही नहीं. Just a minute. I generated the bill now. Okay, so the mode should be item invoice. Original invoice was order number ये था, and original invoice was invoice number -02. कंट्रोल है, ये आ गया. अब आपका क्या है? CPU 1 वापस हो गया. ठीक है, 1 CPU is enter enter enter. ऑर्डर नंबर तो था नहीं, ऑर्डर नंबर के अगेंस्ट में नहीं आ रहा है, नहीं तो डिलीवरी नोट के अगेंस्ट में आ रहा है, बिल के अगेंस्ट में आ रहा है, तो इसलिए डिलीवरी नोट के अगेंस्ट में भी नहीं लेंगे आप. यहाँ पे लास्ट में ये आपसे पूछेगा बिल नंबर, ये रहा, इस बिल के अगेंस्ट में आ रहा है. अब ये बिल के अगेंस्ट में आ रहा है, अब कोई डिलीवरी नोट के अगेंस्ट में नहीं जाएगा ऑर्डर नंबर. सो प्लीज डोंट सिलेक्ट द ऑर्डर नंबर और डिलीवरी नोट. नाउ यू हैव टू सिलेक्ट द अगेंस्ट द इनवॉइस. ओके, एंटर 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 एंटर. I'm sure like things are, see, it's like thoda sa, the system is very complicated, procure to pay and procure to cash, but you have to understand, because we are the accounting persons. So for accounting persons, this is not complicated, but for non-accounting persons, it is complicated. Excuse me. I'm sure now the system is clear. Now make the payment. Starts it the system. F6 receipt. The moment you select choice gallery, तो इसके अगेंस्ट में हमको पैसा मिल गया. Complete payment. Okay, so you can check the choice gallery. Account display more reports, account books, ledger, gallery. Okay. This is the one credit note, and this is a receipt. Right? So I'm sure everybody understood the system. Tell me, please tell me. Just raise the hand whether you, it's bit confusion. Dhruv, yes, You have to do the practice. You have to do the practice. You have to do the practice. I'll send you the assignment in the PPT, maybe by the today evening or maybe tomorrow. Okay. Is it clear? Clear? Completed? Understood, understood. Okay, very good, Saloni. So thank you so much. Thanks a lot for the patience listening. And I'm very happy everybody is doing and everybody is asking the question. That's mean you are doing or you are trying to understand. So thanks a lot. Bye and take care.